Hello guys, welcome to West Academy Web Design Tutorial. So today we're going to be learning how to get a domain. How to get a domain we can use for our website, to create our website. So for that we're going to be using infinity-free.com. So www.infinity-free.com. So you can see it right here. So we're gonna be clicking on it. .net. So we're here now. So what next? So now we're gonna be clicking on sign up now. So for you to sign up, you just have to enter your email address and your password, and you confirm password. After confirming, then you click on I'm not a robot, then you create a new account. So but I already have an account, so I'll be signing in. For you to sign up, it's an easy process. So let's just sign in. So you can see. So for you to create a store, for us to create a domain, we'll be clicking on create account. So mine is showing this because I already opened it before, and if you are just opening it, and for you that you're just creating an account in this site, you'll be seeing something different from just create account. So let's click on create account. So if we do so it's loading. Good. So now here we are going to be creating a free domain in which we're going to be using for our website. Mind the ads. So we're gonna be using the subdomain and not custom domain. So we're gonna be using subdomain, and we can just type any name in which you want your store to bear. So let's type maths. So you can choose anyone you want to, but let's use website.com. So let's search domain. Good. So our domain is available. You can see the domain website.com is available. So after we've chosen the domain, the next step is enter additional information. So here you can just cancel the website for, so you can just edit it and cancel the website for. and here you have to input your account password. So that for that I'll be doing it off screen. So after we've done that, you'll be clicking at the second step there where I went off screen. So you have to click on create account. So after clicking on create account, it's gonna bring you here, and so here we have view in client area and also have open control panel. So you clicking view in client area means you wanna edit what you will be editing what you just done now if you're not sure about what you submitted. And our next step now is we're going to be clicking on open control panel. So it's gonna bring us here. I have to click on I approve. So here we're gonna scroll down. Until we reach where we have software, which is right here. I have to click on Softaculous Apps Installer. Network is somehow slow, and we're gonna be using WordPress, and we're going to click on install. And so we are here. So here's our domain, and right here you have the HTTP, so we can just choose HTTP. You're choosing HTTP because we're using HTTP because we are just using this to learn. So yeah, the site name you can just write Art Matters, and the site description just about art. So your admin username is very important. Very important. So type in so we're gonna be typing Art Matters. And for the admin password, so just type password. Wait. So in this email, you can use this email in which you're using, right, in which is written right here, and you can also change it. So I'm gonna be changing it. You can also use it, but it's advisable for you to change it. So just go straight down and click on install. So it's checking the subject data, maybe it's correct. So we're done. So now I've created a website domain. For you that you're just coming as you, for you that just created your Infinity Press account, you won't be able to access the site, the domain in which you just created now. Cause if you go to your own page at Infinity Press, in which we click on create new account or create account, you're gonna see it right there, which states that if I'm not wrong, you won't be able to use this link until maybe 24 hours or 72 hours. I'm not sure, but you're gonna see that. So let's see, maybe this is available on the web. So you can see now, we won't be able to use it right now. Same here also. Alright, you can just get your admin page. Let's see, you can get this also. Let's see. So now we've created our domain site, so I have to wait another day. Tomorrow, that's tomorrow. So that's all for today, and meet you guys next time. And we have to create our own website using WordPress. Thank you, and I really appreciate you. Good night and have a splendid night and day. Bye bye.